Hi guys, it's Williams. How you guys doing today? As a trader, I don't think you guys are doing really great today. We had a massive sell-off yesterday in the stock market, and then at night we had crypto taking a big dip. And as we talking today, the S&P 500 is in the negative 33.98 points. The Dow Jones negative 160 points, 19. And we have the Nasdaq in the negative 155.63 points. So what do we have for news today? For news, it's still about the same inflation data, the interest rate, the CPI consumer price index hikes, and all this stuff that's dragging the market down. The market become volatile, where we only go way south with the indexes dipping, Bitcoin and other crypto taking bigger dip than Bitcoin, and and we have company like that have a concern about what's going on, talking about bankruptcy, which is something that we will be talking about later on in the video. And as for Bitcoin today, let's see what's going on. Let's see what is going on with Bitcoin. As I'm talking right now, Bitcoin is trading around $28,606 per coin after falling to low 25,000 last night, which was something. It was kind of unexpected because we thought Bitcoin was like hitting the low around 28,000, but it was still going down, and that didn't stop it from taking altcoin like Shiba, XRP, Ethereum, and other coin to low, um, to a very low, like a 50-week lowest. So Bitcoin right now is one concern. Like we have how people have highs on it, and I think it's going down, and people are still buying it too. But me, I'm buying Bitcoin right now. And those crypto you see listed, XRP, Dogecoin, those are the coin that I'm adding more on my wallet right now. So as for information today, let's talk about bankruptcy. What is bankruptcy? Bankruptcy is mostly like when people are in debts, they cannot pay their debts, and then they go to like a legal process where they promise they will pay that, and because they're out of cash. But we mostly see bankruptcy with big corporation, where that corporation like mostly company that's have shareholders. So, last time we see bankruptcy was in 2020 when Hertz went bankrupt and other company like JCPenney. So when that happened, it happens when their stocks keep on dipping, going down, and cannot um, cannot really there's a big sell off in the stock, and they cannot that cannot stop, and most shareholders are pulling out, especially the early birds. So that happens for those company like to go bankrupt, to stop trading, and the indexes they're part of. We seeing this like right now with Coinbase. They have the IPO last year. After the IPO, their stock never get to recover. So right now, the CEO of that company is talking about Coinbase. One, their customer, they may lose their crypto if the company goes bankrupt. But which is something that scared all people right now. People are pulling their coin out of Coinbase. That's the best thing about crypto. As soon as you said that, people are just pulling out. Like you can transfer your crypto in like matter of minutes. And there's some crypto like XLM, you can transfer those crypto like in second. XRP and XLM are the easiest crypto like to transfer, and they're fast. I think Bitcoin takes like a couple of minutes. Ethereum takes that too, but people are pulling out of Coinbase right now. You don't mess with people money, right, like that. But the only um thing that matters right now, that even me, like, I'm mining the Ethereum too, in Coinbase. Before you even did it, they told you that you cannot trade until the Ethereum 2 come out, but we don't know when that's gonna happen. That's the only way they will get people money. I think if Ethereum go bankrupt, most people who mining Ethereum 2 with their Ethereum will lose that money if they go bankrupt. So that's one thing for information I got today. Don't invest in company that you think will go bankrupt. Invest in big corporation that the balance sheet, they have cash, they have enough money to cover losses in the days coming, because we will see that a lot with a lot of company. And for the stock market today, we have we through. We don't know what's gonna happen because it keeps on dipping. We got the moving averages in the Dow Jones, SP 500, and the Nasdaq crossing, which is very scary. That at any day in this month we might get a bigger sell off where that will trouble a lot of people. It will be stressful, anxiety and stuff. So be careful. If you have money in company that you think will go bankrupt, will be delisted of the stock market, please take that money off that company and hold it, or invest in a company you think will get a faster recovery for you. And the DXY right now is at its highest for the last 10, let's say the last few years, because now it's at its highest. Remember, every time this one crash, if it goes back to 89, it will trigger a bull run in the market, especially the stock market. Bitcoin too is kind of correlated with the market, like because back in the days, Bitcoin would jump after halving, but right now I think Bitcoin will jump with the market because it's related. Most people know about Bitcoin. There's a lot of institution. Right now, let's see Bitcoin how it's doing on the 4 hours. Like I said yesterday, when it was around 30, 29, I told you it was gonna dip on the 4 hours, and it really did. Bitcoin went to 25,000, but today the 4 is kind of almost bottom out. So let's expect Bitcoin to stay in this area and even like trying to jump back to 30 or 32. But for exception news, news, bad news coming on it, we'll drag it some more. Any bad news that comes for the market from the war in Ukraine, we'll drag it. And for the 1 day, we've been bottom out, so we're waiting for the 1 day to have some reaction, for the R side to move up, so it can take it back to like 35K or wherever it wants to go, because we're in a bear market right now. Let's not expect big thing to be happening. Let's expect like the price to consolidate around this area. And in the bigger picture, let's look at the 1 week. So the 1 week, it's been dipping for like, let's say, for a month and a half. So the 1 week is almost bottom out. I think it will take like this week coming, we'll take the upside down to the bottom, and then we can see like the next month, like let's say June and July, we might see consolidation where the price will stay around this area and even trying to jump up and down until I think this is a story repeating right now. The best thing you can do right now in crypto, it's keep on buying, buy the rumor and sell the news, because you don't build a portfolio in cryptocurrency when the market is going up. Like last year, everyone were trying to build a portfolio. You build a portfolio in a bear market, so this is the bear market. So you can have a plan. You don't have to put a lot of money. Like right now, all crypto cheap. You can get 10 million Shiba for less than $100, or you can get even other crypto. Buy in the top 10: Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, Shiba, Dogecoin, Apple stock, Microsoft, Tesla, and all this stuff. They're all cheap right now. Build your portfolio for the next bull run. And this is the longest video I ever did. I ever done. So like, subscribe, bring more people in. Let's go to the community. Give a like and share the video. Have a great day. Let's do it together.